the world's most powerful particle accelerator. The Large Hadron Collider will reopen today after 3 years of being shut down for improvements.
The Large Hadron Collider, a marvel of modern science crafted by the European Organization for Nuclear Research, has shed light on numerous scientific puzzles. Just now, Brian Cox has announced that something terrible has happened at CERN that no one can explain. During a test with unprecedented energy levels, CERN's scientists encountered something unexpected and potentially unsettling. Could this discovery provide more insight into the universe's secrets like miniature black holes? And how is this discovery related to the Mandela Effect? Let's find out why this mystery has left even the most seasoned researchers scratching their heads. Deep beneath the borders of France and Switzerland lies a marvel of modern science, stretching an impressive 17 miles in a circular path. This is the Large Hadron Collider, a giant ring made up of superconducting magnets. It is specifically designed for accelerating particles that are invisible to the naked eye. The Large Hadron Collider is famous for its groundbreaking discoveries. Here, scientists have managed to peek into the world of tiny particles, unlocking secrets that have puzzled us for decades. One of its most famous achievements is the discovery of the Higgs boson, often called the God particle. This discovery was profoundly significant because the Higgs boson was the last missing piece in our
16 miles in circumference underneath Geneva. We accelerate protons, which are these simple particles, to 99.999999% the speed
A
of
shocking discovery made in CERN has been announced by Brian Cox that has left scientists confused and shocked. But why is the Large Hadron Collider so important? It's not just about finding new particles. The real magic of the Large Hadron Collider is its ability to recreate conditions that existed just moments after the Big Bang, the massive explosion that gave birth to our universe, according to scientists. By smashing particles together at nearly the speed of light, the Large Hadron Collider mimics these ancient conditions, giving us a glimpse into how our universe might have looked and behaved in its very first moments. It's like having a time machine that takes us back to the start of everything, helping us understand the origins and evolution of the universe. In the aftermath of World War II, when the world was still feeling the tremors of conflict, a group of visionary scientists had a bold idea. They wanted to create a place where knowledge was king, where the ruins of war could give way to collaboration and discovery. This idea gave birth to CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Established in 1954, CERN was more than just a laboratory. It was a symbol of hope, a testament to what humanity could achieve when we worked together for the greater good. From uncovering new particles to developing technologies that have applications far beyond the lab, CERN's journey has been one of relentless pursuit of knowledge. One of the most important parts of the Large Hadron Collider are its magnets and the cooling systems. These aren't your average fridge magnets or air conditioners. The Large Hadron Collider uses superconducting magnets, and there are a lot of them. We're talking about thousands of magnets, some bending the path of the particles, others squeezing them closer together to up the chances of collisions. These magnets are superconducting, which means they can conduct electricity without resistance, but only under super cold conditions. This is where the cooling systems come into play. They keep these magnets at a mind-boggling 456 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than outer space. But why is it so cold? Because at these temperatures, the magnets can operate in a superconducting state, efficiently steering and accelerating the particles around the Large Hadron Collider ring with amazing precision. When you think about the Large Hadron Collider, imagine a gigantic, incredibly cold ring, with superconducting magnets working in harmony to race particles around at breakneck speeds. It's this combination of size, temperature, and magnetic precision that makes the LHC not just a feat of engineering, but a kind of scientific symphony, with each component playing its part in perfect harmony. This is what makes the Large Hadron Collider capable of revealing the universe's deepest secrets. And its most recent discovery has changed our understanding of modern physics as we know it. A former researcher at CERN and a well-respected voice in the field, Brian Cox, has a deep connection with the Large Hadron Collider and its explorations into the unknown. Recently, Cox stepped into the spotlight with an announcement that has sent ripples through the scientific community. He revealed that something unexpected and alarming had been detected at CERN. It's not every day that something leaves these seasoned scientists scratching their heads, and that's precisely what's happened here. According to Brian Cox, scientists at CERN have been able to replicate the Big Bang within the Large Hadron Collider. This successful experiment could open up new avenues for CERN, as they can now reveal secrets of how exactly our universe was created. However, this announcement was met with alarm. While this possibility is exciting for scientists, many like Brian Cox are terrified of the many ways it could go terribly wrong. Like any journey into the unknown, there are potential risks and concerns associated with these high-scale experiments. First off, let's talk about what it means to explore the unknown at a place like CERN. These experiments, especially in the Large Hadron Collider, deal with energies and particles that, until recently, were the stuff of theory. Tinkering with the fundamental building blocks of the universe could, theoretically, have unexpected consequences. It's like opening a door without knowing what's on the other side. The majority of scientists believe that the experiments are safe, but the element of uncertainty in groundbreaking science always carries a degree of risk. A stark reminder of these risks is the incident involving Russian scientist Anatoly Bugorsky. Back in 1978, Bugorsky was working on a particle accelerator when he accidentally exposed his head to a proton beam. Miraculously, he survived, but the accident left him with severe injuries. This incident, while not directly related to CERN's activities, highlights the potential dangers inherent in working with such powerful machines and high-energy particles. Another danger that often comes up is the creation of miniature black holes. Some theories suggest that the intense collisions in the LHC could create tiny black holes. While this
Gauss magnetic field on the high school football field. I put 22 pounds of copper wire on the goalpost.
They would be incredibly unstable and would likely evaporate almost instantly due to a phenomenon known as Hawking radiation. The chance of a stable, dangerous black hole forming is astronomically low, but the very idea stirs up a mix of awe and apprehension. The reaction from the scientific community has been a mix of intrigue and concern. There's a buzzing curiosity about what this discovery could mean for our understanding of particle physics and the universe. At the same time, there's a hint of apprehension because, in the realm of high-energy physics, the unknown can sometimes be a Pandora's box. This blend of excitement and caution is typical in science when we're on the brink of potentially groundbreaking discoveries. Scientists from around the world are eagerly awaiting more information, ready to decipher this mysterious finding. In academic circles and research labs, conversations are abuzz, speculating on the nature of Cox's announcement and its implications for the future of particle physics. The Mandela Effect is a term that refers to a situation where a bunch of people remember something one way, but it turns out to be incorrect. It's named after Nelson Mandela because a lot of people remembered him dying in prison in the 1980s, when in fact, he was released and passed away in 2013. It's like your memory playing tricks on you, but on a bigger scale where lots of people have the same false memory. What's this got to do with CERN? Here's where things get really interesting. Some people speculate that the high-energy experiments at CERN, particularly with the Large Hadron Collider, might be causing ripples in the fabric of reality. Imagine CERN's experiments are so powerful that they might be opening tiny cracks or doorways to parallel universes. This is purely speculative, of course, but it's a fun idea to ponder. There is a theory that speculates if there are parallel universes, maybe our world is brushing up against them.
Collision, we create the conditions that were present less than a billionth of a second after the Big Bang. We take photographs of those 600 million collisions.
Mandela Effect could come into play. It's as if CERN is unintentionally causing these memory crossovers, giving us glimpses into alternate versions of history that exist in parallel universes. Now, it's crucial to note that this is all in the realm of speculation and theory. Scientists at CERN aren't actively trying to punch holes into other universes, and there's no concrete evidence to support these ideas. The Mandela Effect raises intriguing questions about memory, but what if it goes beyond mere lapses in recollection? Could CERN's groundbreaking experiments be unlocking doors to undiscovered realms? String theory enters the picture as a theoretical framework, suggesting that the fundamental elements of the universe are not particles like atoms, but infinitesimally small strings, vibrating in unique patterns. These vibrations dictate the nature of the resulting particles, creating a cosmic symphony of tiny strings. The mind-bending aspect emerges when considering parallel universes. String theory proposes the existence of extra dimensions beyond the familiar three.
At what our biggest existential threat is, it's probably that. We're
Woven into the fabric of the universe. These hidden dimensions may harbor parallel universes, each layer of this cosmic cake representing a different dimension, coexisting but beyond our immediate reach. While purely theoretical, string theory provides a framework to ponder the possibility of these hidden dimensions and parallel universes, a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved. CERN, among its many explorations, delves into the mystery of hidden dimensions, particularly regarding gravity. Gravity, the force shaping our daily experiences, remains enigmatic despite our understanding of its effects. Scientists speculate whether gravity might be connected to dimensions beyond the three we perceive. This leads to the analogy of our universe as a multi-layered cake, with hidden dimensions influencing the nature of gravity. The Large Hadron Collider at CERN serves as a high-tech tool probing these dimensions, seeking evidence that could reshape our understanding of physics. Another puzzle explored at CERN involves quantum entanglement, a phenomenon in the quantum realm where particles are so interconnected that changes in one instantaneously affect the other, regardless of distance. Scientists at CERN leverage the Large Hadron Collider to study quantum entanglement under controlled conditions. Understanding this phenomenon could unravel mysteries about space, time, and potentially reveal hidden dimensions. CERN's experiments become a tool to fill in missing pieces in the puzzle of the universe. CERN's impact extends beyond theoretical physics, influencing practical aspects of our lives. In the grand tapestry of human knowledge, CERN's research represents a journey into uncharted territories, bringing both excitement and risks. As we navigate the revelations presented in Beyond Discovery, we are reminded of the far-reaching implications of CERN's endeavors and the unexpected ways in which cosmic exploration can reshape our everyday lives.